What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon DeLorean from Back to the Future. Now we're going to get started along the bottom of our page with the tires. So let's move over to the left side and draw in a circle. So we start from the very top, work our way around to the bottom, and then back up to the top. Now we're going to leave a large gap and draw the same thing over on the right side. So let's line up the top of the circle. So right here, and draw in that same size circle. Now we're going to add a smaller circle on the inside for the rim. So starting back at the top, and try to leave an even space gap all the way around. And we'll do the same thing on the back tire. Now I'll add an even smaller circle right in the middle for the inside edge of the rim. And do the same thing on the back tire. Now let's fill the rims in black. Let's add a small black dot in the center of the tire for the bolt. Now we're going to draw a half circle around the top half of the wheel. So from the center, we step out and leave an even space gap all the way around and then pull that down on the inside. Let's do the same thing on the back wheel. Now we're going to connect the inside with a straight line going across. Now you can use a ruler, but I'm going to do this freehand. Then I'm going to move up and draw another straight line going across. Now let's move back to the front. We're going to draw an angled line going up towards the front bumper. So from here, go up in an angle towards the front. Let's flatten off the front of the bumper with a short, straight line. Now let's tuck the front skirt in underneath the bumper. So down here, draw a short line coming down. We're going to angle down and out towards the left. Now we're going to pull this across in behind the tire. Now let's fill this area in black. And we'll go all the way around the tire. And as we get down towards the inside, we're just going to close this off with a straight line and fill this in black. Now we're going to do the same thing with the back tire. Starting from this corner, we're just going to pull this in towards the tire. Do the same thing on the back, and we'll fill this area in black. Let's go back to the front and add in the bumper. From the top, we draw a straight line coming in, and then from the bottom, we'll draw that same length line. Now I just want to overlap those two lines. So we're going to step up, draw a line coming down, and pull this in towards the tire, and then we'll close off the inside with a straight line. Let's trace this square out on the inside, and then we're going to fill the outside of the square in black. Now we're going to work our way along the hood towards the front windshield. So on top of the bumper, along the front, we're going to angle up and then in. Now we're going to angle this up towards the right. Go up with a straight line and stop right about there. And then from here we're going to draw a straight angled line coming down towards this line. Now the angle of the front windshield goes a little bit higher than the hood. We start here, we're going to angle up towards the top. Now we're going to go straight across towards the back. Stop right about there. Now from here we're going to come straight down. We're going to stop right about here, and then we're going to angle down and in towards the left. towards that bottom line. Now let's draw on the front windshield. From the top, draw a short angle line coming down. We're going to come down, just follow the same angle, coming down to right about there. And I'm going to pull this up towards this point. And from the bottom corner of the windshield, we're going to step in, start with a point. From here, we're going to be drawing in the side view mirror. From this point, I'm going to curve up and over towards the right. Go back to the front, we're going to curve down and over towards the right. And then we'll connect these 2 points with a straight line. On top of the mirror, we're going to follow that same angle, going all the way up towards the top. We're going to leave a little gap along the top of the window. Go straight across towards the back, to right about there. Let's go down to the side of the mirror. Draw a straight line going all the way back. We're just going to line this up with the top line. And we'll connect these 2 lines with a line coming down. Let's add that trim in the window. Starting out here, we're going to angle up, go straight across, and then we'll angle down towards the right. Now let's move to the back of the car. From this point, we're just going to angle up and out with a short line. Now there's a curved bar that goes across the back. So from this point, I'm going to round this out, go out towards the right, and go straight across to right about there. Now it's going to round this out, and I'm going to come down at an angle towards this point. We're just going to overlap that. We'll extend this a little bit past that line. Now let's go up to the top. We're going to extend this line a little bit further, go across. Now we're just going to follow this line all the way towards the back. We're going to come down, we're going to round this out, go straight back, round up the top, and we'll come down at an angle, and we'll flatten off the back with an angled line. Now along the top, we're going to draw a straight line going across, come down towards this bottom, draw a line coming down, and then we'll draw an angle line on the back. Let's add a seam across the body. Starting from the bumper, we'll come in behind the tire, we'll continue in the center of the body, going all the way across, and then we'll continue on the right side. Let's add a small circle up here for the keyhole. And then for the door handle, just underneath this trim, we draw 2 straight lines coming down, and then we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Now we're going to add a power strip across the bottom. From this line, we're going to step in, draw a straight line going up, and then from the back, we'll step in, draw another line going up, connect those 2 lines with a horizontal line. Now we're going to draw a wire coming from the front all the way towards this power bar. Starting at the top, go up, and then curve that in, and go around the tire, and then come down. We're going to round this out, and then go right in towards the side of the power bar. And then on the right side, we go straight out, go around this out, and go up at an angle, and in. Now let's move back to the right. From this corner, we're going to step up, we're going to draw a straight line, going all the way up to right about there. Now we're going to draw an angled line going up towards the top. So from this top corner, we're going to step down, draw a straight angled line, coming down towards that back line. Let's draw on the rear bumper. From that same line, go up in an angle, straight up, and then we'll pull that in. Just fill this area in black. And then from the top, we're going to come down with a steeper angle towards the back, and then we'll come straight down in behind the bumper. We're going to continue this trim on the back here, going all the way towards the bumper. Now we're going to add in the rear window. From the top, draw a straight line coming down. Now on the top, we're going to angle down towards the back, and then from the bottom, we're going to go straight across towards the back. I'm going to close off this corner with a rounded edge. Let's add some detail inside the window. Starting up here, we're going to start with a straight line coming down. Now in here, we're going to add a box. Go up with 2 straight lines. Close off the top with a straight line. Now we're going to add a couple lines going across the center. And we're going to add 2 squares along the top. Let's add a little rectangle in the back of the window. Now let's add the fusion pod and the booster in the back. So starting here, we'll start with a straight line going out, and then come straight down. From the top corner, we're going to angle up and out, come straight down to right about there, and then we'll angle down and in behind the back of the car. Let's go back to the front. We're going to draw 2 straight lines going up, close this off with a straight line. Now from the top corners, we're going to angle up and in. And again, we'll close this off with a straight line. And from the top corners, we're going to go all the way up towards the top. And then close off the top with a straight line. And we want to add a thick cable along the top. Starting up here, we're going to curve up and then down. Now we're just going to trace this out on the inside. Let's add a small rectangle just above this line. We'll start with a line going across, go up the sides, and then close off the top. Now in between, we draw 2 straight lines coming down. Add a couple wires in the back. Starting out here, curve out, down. Now in behind this pipe, we're going to go around towards the back of the car. Let's add a small square up here. Now I just want to surround this bottom edge. So we're going to step in, come down an angle, go up, and tuck this in behind the bumper. And there we have it. There's our cartoon DeLorean from Back to the Future. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.